We exhibit belief perseverance, clinging to our ideas in the face of contrary evidence, because the explanation we accepted as valid lingers in our minds. Once beliefs are formed and justified, it takes more compelling evidence to change them than it did to create them. The best remedy for this form of bias is to make a deliberate effort to consider evidence supporting the opposite position. The same issue presented in two different but logically equivalent ways can elicit quite different answers. This framing effect suggests that our judgments and decisions may not be well reasoned, and that those who understand the power of framing can use it to influence important decisions. For example, by wording survey questions to support or reject a particular viewpoint. Although human intuition is sometimes perilous, it can be, whether conscious or unconscious, remarkably efficient and adaptive. Research shows that in making complex decisions, we benefit by letting our brain work on a problem without thinking about it. As we gain expertise in a field, we become better at making quick, adept judgments. Experienced nurses, firefighters, art critics, and hockey players learn to size up a situation in an eye blink. Intuition is powerful, but sometimes perilous, and especially when we overfeel and underthink, as we do when judging risk. So, we need to check our intuitions against reality. In general, creativity is supported by a certain level of aptitude, ability to learn, but creativity is more than school smarts and requires a different kind of thinking. Aptitude tests require convergent thinking. They require a single correct answer, while creativity involves divergent thinking that imagines multiple solutions to a problem, such as how many uses you can think of for a brick. Studies suggest 5 other components of creativity: expertise, imaginative thinking skills, adventuresome personality, intrinsic motivation, and a creative environment.